Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by stabilizing the car and exposing the shift area. First, engage the handbrake and tilt the front seats if needed. This gives room. Next, pry the surrounding trim gently. Once done, the plastic clips pop free so you can slide the rubber gaiter down about 2 to 3 inches. Make sure to keep clips and screws together. Removing the boot now exposes the gear knob base so you can access the retention mechanism without guessing. You must determine how the Swift knob is secured before forcing it. Once identified, follow the correct method. If threaded, use steady counterclockwise turns while holding the selector boot out of the way. If a retaining clip, depress it with a flat tool and pull up sharply. If a set screw, loosen it with a 3mm hex and then lift. Take your time so threads don't strip, and make sure to hold the shaft steady. Alignment is critical for reinstallation. You now fit the replacement knob. Align it with the selector gate and hand start threads or engage the clip until it seats fully. Make sure orientation matches the shift pattern. Once secure, slide the gaiter back up and press the trim until each clip clicks. Then test every gear selection in the stationary car to verify smooth movement and reverse lockout. If you feel looseness, recheck the retention. If binding occurs, remove and realign immediately before a road test of 1 to 2 miles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.